LG UltraGear 24G411A review. Is this gaming monitor worth buying? Looking for a budget gaming monitor that gives you smooth gameplay without paying for unnecessary features? The LG UltraGear 24G411A could be an interesting option. But is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The LG UltraGear 24G411A is a 23.8-inch Full HD IPS gaming monitor with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. It offers a 120 Hz refresh rate with overclocking up to 144 Hz, making it a noticeable upgrade over a standard 60 Hz display. For gaming, you also get ND FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, which can help reduce screen tearing and deliver smoother gameplay. LG also includes features like black stabilizer, dynamic action sync, crosshair, and an FPS counter, which can be useful for competitive gaming. The IPS panel is another positive. It offers wide 178-degree viewing angles and up to 99% sRGB coverage, so colors should look consistent and natural for gaming and everyday use. HDR10 is supported as well, although the 250 nit brightness means you shouldn't expect premium HDR performance. Connectivity is fairly basic, with HDMI, DisplayPort, and a headphone output. There's no USB hub or USB-C, so this monitor is focused mainly on straightforward PC gaming. The stand is also simple and only provides tilt adjustment. However, it supports a 100 by 100 mm VESA mount, so you can use a monitor arm if you need more flexibility. The biggest reason to consider this monitor is its balance. You get an IPS panel, full HD resolution, smooth 120 to 144 Hz gaming, and adaptive sync support without adding features you may never use. But if you're looking for 1440p resolution, USB-C, stronger HDR, or a more adjustable stand, you'll need to consider a more expensive monitor. Overall, the LG UltraGear 24G411A is best suited for gamers who want an affordable and straightforward 1080p gaming monitor with smooth motion and good color coverage. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your next product suggestion.